Greetings, friends. Happy Monday to all of you. So, friends, I have shocking news to go over today. Congress has just announced that it's now debating on monthly checks. This could mean Americans may be able to claim a stimulus payment every month. But Democrats are debating on how long this extra relief should be provided. Friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all the details. I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, simply click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, remember, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card. And at the end of this video, I will be announcing today's winner, so please stay tuned. With the price of gas hovering under $5 a gallon nationwide, lawmakers are looking for many ways to ease the pain at the gas pump. Many U.S. states have instituted a gas tax holiday, and President Biden has endorsed a pause on the federal gas tax. But another option being touted is a gas stimulus check that would give eligible Americans $100 a month through the end of this year, or for as long as the price of gas exceeds $4 a gallon in their state. Democratic Representatives Lauren Underwood, Mike Thompson, and John Larson are pushing the idea in Congress with the Gas Rebate Act of 2022. In an official statement, Representative Mike Thompson said, "Americans are feeling the impact of this crisis at the pump, and right now we must work together on common sense policy solutions to ease the financial burden that my constituents are feeling." Friends, I know that many of you are wondering, how can you receive extra financial aid right now? So here's what you need to know, friends, about the gas rebate plan, including who would benefit from it, how long it would last, and similar efforts being considered on the state level. If the Gas Rebate Act of 2022 is signed into law, the measure will give eligible Americans and their dependents $100 each month for every month left in 2022. The gasoline continues to average more than $4 a gallon. The U.S. passed that threshold in March of this year, with little sign that the price would drop back down later this year. The individual average in all 50 states surpassed $4 a gallon in May. As with the crisis stimulus checks, compensation depends on income levels. Individuals earning less than $75,000 a year will receive the full $100. The amount would then diminish the more that you earn, and individuals making over $80,000 would not be eligible for any rebate. But joint filers earning less than $150,000 would receive the full $100. The White House said in a statement this month that President Biden said he supports pausing the federal gas tax for 3 months and has encouraged individual states to consider similar money-saving efforts, including consumer rebates and other relief payments. The U.S. president told reporters that a nationwide gas rebate card program is part of what they are considering. The Biden administration first considered rebate cards back in March, but determined that the computer chip shortage would make it difficult to produce enough cards. According to the Washington Post, there would also be no mechanism to ensure consumers didn't use the cards for purchases other than gasoline. So friends, what are your thoughts on a nationwide gas rebate card program? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Democratic state senators have proposed giving all licensed adult drivers a one-time payment of $200 towards fueling up. According to State Senator Michael Garrett, who's a co-sponsor of the gas rebate bill, that's roughly what the average resident of North Carolina pays in state gas taxes from July to December. The plan would cost $1.3 billion, but sponsors say it could come out of the state's approximate $4.25 billion tax surplus. Senator Garrett stated, "This approach keeps a highway fund and the highway trust fund whole, while still collecting revenue from non-residents passing through our state using our roads, highways, and bridges. If this bill passes, the rebates would be sent out by October." Chicago, Illinois has started issuing about 50,000 prepaid gas cards of $150 and 100,000 prepaid gas cards of $50, which is approved by the City Council. Those interested in benefiting from the Chicago Moves plan must be at least 18 years old, with a valid driver's license, and earn no more than $73,000 a year, which is the city's median income. The states of Maryland, Georgia, Connecticut, New York, and Florida have all suspended state gas taxes. More than a dozen other states are debating similar moves. According to a recent poll, 72% of Americans support suspending their state tax fuel. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Please let me know in the comment section below how much you are paying for 1 gallon of unleaded gasoline in your city or state.
At this time last year, Washington Democrats were beginning their quest to dump trillions of dollars in left-wing spending on a recovering economy that already had the preconditions for some inflation. Everybody warned Democrats to pump the brakes. Just weeks earlier, Republicans had already supported a smaller, targeted bipartisan stimulus that had barely started to take effect. Even top liberal economists warned Democrats' agenda could spark massive inflation. The consequences for working families have been particularly harsh. Essential goods have played an outsized role in driving up prices overall. It's harder to put dinner on the table when eggs, meats, and fish are 12% more expensive. It's harder to fill up cars with gas that's 40% more expensive, and to heat a home with natural gas that's gone up 24%, or fuel oil that's gone up 47%. This is reality for millions of Americans. They're living it every single day. Yet the Biden administration seems less interested in trying to solve this problem than in trying to persuade families that the pain is actually just in their heads. One recent story reported that members of President Biden's team were, quote, seemingly mystified about why the American people weren't celebrating this economy. Well, if Washington Democrats spent 5 minutes talking to a middle class...
Well, my amazing and fantastic friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here and watching my videos. And I truly hope you found some of this information helpful. The winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway is... Congratulations, dear friend! If I have named you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me a message. Also, you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.